Here is another question now, which is again a little lengthy. As we can see this, Ajay can finish a piece of work in 20 days working alone. If Ajay works at half his efficiency together with Bhuvan, who works at double his efficiency, the same work can be finished in these days. Also, if Bhuvan works at 4 times his efficiency and Chandan works at 5 by 6 of his efficiency, the work gets finished in these days. Lastly, if Chandan works at twice his efficiency, Deepak works at thrice his efficiency, the work is finished in these days. In how many days Deepak alone can finish the work? Lengthy question. Let's start with it. Let us assume the efficiency of Deepak is that he can make 1 unit in a day, right? And he can finish the job in 20 days. So I can say the total work is to make 20 units. If Deepak can make 1 unit in a day and he can complete the job in 20 days, so the job is of 20 units. Now let's talk about Ajay. Let us assume that Ajay makes A units in a day. What does the question say? If Ajay works at half his efficiency, I'm sorry, the first person was Ajay. And now the next person is Bhuvan. I don't know where would Deepak came in my mind. Deepak, or yes, Deepak is there at the end. I'm sorry for that. So Bhuvan is making A every day. Ajay works at half his efficiency. That means Ajay is making 1 by 2. He can make 1, but he's doing half. With Bhuvan, who works at double his efficiency, Bhuvan makes 2 into A, right? They can finish the same work in 13 and 1 by 3 days. So together they can do the job in 13 and 1 by 3. What is 13 and 1 by 3? 13 and 1 by 3 is 40 by 3. They can complete the job in 40 by 3 days. And what is the job? It is to make 20 units. So 20 will cancel out 40 at 2. And from here, what do I get? I get 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 3, plus 2a into 2 by 3, that is 4a by 3. It is equal to 1, or 4a by 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3, and a is equal to 1 by 2. I get the value of a as 1 by 2 from here. That means Bhuvan can make 1 by 2 units in a day. Bhuvan can make 1 by 2 units in a day. Lengthy question. I agree with that. Next. Also, if Bhuvan works at 4 times his efficiency and Chandan, so now another guy comes in, Chandan. Let us say Chandan makes B units in a day. Question says if Bhuvan works at 4 times his efficiency, that is 4 times of 1 by 2, Bhuvan does, and Chandan works at 5 by 6 times of efficiency, that is 5 by 6 times of B, then they can complete the job in 8 and 4 by 7 days. What is 8 and 4 by 7? 8 and 4 by 7 is 60 by 7. So into 60 by 7 is the complete work. So once again, I can cancel it out at 3. From here, I get 2 plus 5 by 6b into 3 by 7 is 1, or 7 by 3 can be taken on the other side. This gives me 5 by 6b is equal to 7 by 3 minus 2, which is 1 by 3, and b is equal to 2 by 5. So I also get to know how many units can Chandan make in a day. Still the question is not complete. Extremely lengthy it is. Now he says, lastly, if Chandan works at twice his efficiency and Deepak, now Deepak is also there. Let us say Deepak makes C units in a day. He says Chandan works at twice his efficiency. So twice of 2 by 5 Chandan works, plus Deepak works at thrice his efficiency, which is thrice of C. They can complete the work in 11 and 1 by 9 days. What is 11 and 1 by 9? It is 100 by 9. So this whole into 100 by 9, this is also equal to 20. 20 can cancel it out at 5. I get 4 by 5 plus 3C is equal to 9 by 5. So 3C is equal to 1, or C is equal to 1 by 3. So I also get to know the efficiency of Deepak as 1 by 3. Oh God. In how many days Deepak alone can finish the work? Deepak can make 1 by 3 units in a day. The work is to make 20 units. In how many days he would be able to make 20 units? 20 divided by 1 by 3, which is 60. Option D is the right answer. I would never suggest to do such a question during the exam time. And there is no shortcut for these kind of questions as well. Always avoid, because this one single question could have probably taken the time of 5 other questions. We could have done at least 3 questions we have done in the same time in which we did one single question. So the answer for this question is 60.